In the last video, we actually drew this door here, and one of the things that is really helpful in AutoCAD is setting up what we call layers. Layers happen to be a great way of organizing elements, and we can essentially categorize and color them so that we can differentiate the different objects. And so how do we set up layers? Well, we first want to start by going up here to Layer Properties, and it's going to open up a dialog here, and it's opening up on my other screen, so let me pull that over. And in here I actually have a few layers already set up, but if we didn't, what we can do is we can go down here, and I'm just going to open up this PDF. And so this is the AIA Layer Standard Guide, and I think this is a great place to start from a layer perspective. So we have here our doors. Our doors should be yellow, and they should be 0.2 continuous, continuous being a solid line. So let's go and set that up here. And so we have our layers. We have this door already here, but we can start by clicking this, and I'm just going to call this A-door 2. And we would change our color here by clicking the white box, and we're going to change that to yellow. We're going to leave our line weight as continuous, but if we wanted to change our line weight, we would just click that and select a different line type or load a different line type. We're going to change our line weight to 0.2 here, and then I think that's pretty much it for what we'd want to change for this. Let me just pull this over and see if there's anything else. Nope. That's the only other thing that we want to do. And again, if you have to set up your line type, that would be something that you want to do. So that's how you set up a layer. And once we've set up a layer, I'm just going to delete this one since I already have these layers set up. We can grab our door, for example, that we have here, and we can change this to be a door. And then we can grab our wall, and these are our wall lines here, and we can make our wall lines to be our A wall. And so one of the really cool parts about layers is up here we have these turn on and off buttons. So for example, I can turn off our door layers. We also have this freeze button and a lock button. So these are some ways to have control over some of those elements. Lock doesn't allow you to edit any of those layers. Freeze kind of leaves them in place but hides them. And then we have the physical hide and unhide button there. So that's how to set up layers, and that's how to start to change some of those layers. Thanks for watching.